guys, and welcome to Bubblegum Kids TV. So today we have Princess Snow White, and she brought a really cool toy for us. We have the Snow White tea party set. I can give you a close-up here. Such a cute teapot, and it's got all the accessories inside to have the perfect princess tea party. So let's open this up and see what we can do. Here is the teapot up close before we open it up. It's got the pretty picture of Snow White. She's holding a rose, and it's got a lot of sparkles on it. And the lid is very sparkly. There is the spout. And the top handle has a cute little pink ribbon. Let's take the top off of the teapot and see all of the pieces that are inside. So, first things first, we have a cute pitcher. And it doesn't look like this is for hot tea. It's either for water or for some iced tea. It's for cold drinks. And if you look close, it's got a cute decoration on there. Bunch of silver sparkles. Let's see what else is in here. So it looks like we have a pretty red teacup. It's kind of in the shape of a heart at the top, if you can see it. Here is another red teacup, and one thing I didn't notice the first time is it has a really cute picture of the 7 dwarfs on there. Here's a close-up. Here is another teacup. It is pink, and it has Snow White's little birdie friend on it. And it looks like we have another pink teacup. So we have 2 red and 2 pink. Next, we have a cute sugar bowl, and it says sugar on there. It's so adorable. It's got a pink lid and a heart shape so we can pour the sugar to have the tea party. We have a red plate in the shape of a heart. And let's see if we have another one of those. We have a pink plate in the shape of a heart. Another pink plate. Another red plate. So it looks like we have 2 and 2. 2 red plates, 2 red cups, 2 pink plates, and 2 pink cups. That is perfect. And I think we're missing a couple things that we would need to stir our tea and take some sugar into the tea and eat with. So let's see what else is left. Yep, and it's just what I thought. We have spoons. Pink and red, and they're so cute because if you look close, they have a P on them for princess, and at the bottom they have cute little heart imprints. Very adorable. And it comes with 2 more spoons, so we have 4 in total. I'll just put them here in the cups. So what do you think we should do with this set? I think we should have a princess tea party. So look who showed up to our tea party. We have 4 Disney princesses, Snow White, Cinderella, Rapunzel, and Princess Merida from The Brave. And they all are holding their own plates. They have a teacup next to them. So let's get started. So I have some nice refreshing water because it's a little hot out today, a little too hot for tea. But this is water with some tea inside, so it's actually iced tea. So, what do you say we pour it into our princesses' cups? Here you go, Snow White. A little for you, Cinderella. Some for Rapunzel. And some for Princess Merida. All done. So we have a sugar bowl, but we don't have any sugar. So what do you guys say we make some sugar cubes for our iced tea out of some white Play-Doh? Let's do it. Okay, so we've made our sugar cubes out of white Play-Doh. We have the princess's 4 cups of tea right here, iced tea. So what do you say we add in a sugar cube to make it a little sweet? Let's do it. Have their drinks. I think they're a little hungry and we definitely need something to put on these plates here. So let's make them a little treat with cookies and candies and make them out of Play-Doh, just like we made our sugar cubes. We have a bunch of different Play-Dohs. We have pink, green, hot pink, brown, that's for the chocolate cookies, a lighter brown, and blue. So let's see what we can make the princesses for lunch out of Play-Doh. Have these 2 Play-Doh molds here. They're little cookies and candies. So why don't we make the princesses some yummy cookies and candies for their tea lunch? Let's do it. the princesses. They look so delicious. Little cookies, little chocolates, pretzels, you name it. Enjoy your delicious tea party! Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video and playing with the Play-Doh and having a tea party with the 4 princesses. I love this Snow White tea set. It was so cute and we had a lot of fun with it. So we're going to have so many more toys coming up on our channel and a lot of Disney Princess. So if you like Disney Princess, we're going to have all of their toys. You can subscribe to our channel and hit the big red button here where my finger is for Bubblegum Kids TV, and we'd love to have you. So have a great day and see you later. Bye!